Good morning, children. Today we will be discussing about the effects of friction. What are the effects of friction? So, in the previous session we have discussed about types of frictions and causes of friction we learned. Now coming to the effects of friction. Okay? Effects of friction. So if you are looking at the effects of friction, what does this friction do? So we have two types of effects in the effects of friction, that is disadvantages and advantages. So what are the disadvantages? What are the advantages? We will see in detail in this topic. So here, if we come to the friction, effects of friction, there are two types of effects. There are some benefits, uses, and there are some ill effects of the friction. In which situation we have ill effects and in which situation we will have uses. Let us come to the discussion. So coming to this evil effects of friction, so we call them as evil. Evil is nothing but bad effect. Disadvantages. So coming to the evil effects of the friction causes, first one, if you look into it, the first case, friction causes overheating of the surfaces. Let us say more friction is there, more amount of energy must be used, and your body has to will be overheated, and because of that you will be getting the sweat. That is what we experience practically. Secondly, let us say you are riding against some up the hill, so there is friction will be more, friction increases, then you will be getting more and more stress you have to feel, and because of the stress your body will be overheated and sweating. And similarly, when there is two bodies are rubbed against each other, so it gives heating, and this is one way it is making the overheating, and which causes wear and tear of things, wear and tear of the object, wearing. Sometimes they may be broken, sometimes the bearings, if they are not lubricated properly, they may be spoiling. So that is one of the major factor in this. Second one, friction reduces the efficiency. Let us say if there is friction, more friction, let us say you are cycling. While cycling, what happens? The chain has to rotate over the two toothed wheels. If the chain is not properly lubricated, then it makes a crackling sound, and along with that it becomes difficult to cycle faster, and not only that, it reduces the original efficiency of the rider in the riding the bicycle, and it may finally it may come to wear and tear of the chain also. Third case, if we look into this, the efficiency reduced and overheating, and the third major one is friction causes sound pollution, sound pollution, sound pollution. Okay, sound and air pollutions also will be caused due to the friction. The more the friction, the more the sound will be created. It creates a noisy disturbance. Okay, and noise like sounds will be produced, and these noisy disturbances causes pollution. Thank you.